Imagine waking up on vacation to a new lead, book call, or even a deal in the works without even lifting a finger. In today's video, we're going to 7 different parts so you can be able to have some things to think about, be able to see specifically what you can do to be able to maximize your website. And then by the end of the video, I'll give you an actual process and a guide you could download. You're gonna be able to turn your website into a 24/7 sales machine where you can be able to bring in more deals, create the know, like, and trust, and be able to turn your website into something that will give you return on investment. Number 1, websites aren't meant to just look pretty. Websites are supposed to be able to convert. You have something called UI UX, which is going to be the interface of your website and how individuals navigate the process. Whether it's a buy tab, sell tab, about you, search for homes, you want to be able to make sure that the site, of course, looks good, but it also performs well. You want to make sure your website has engaging tools that makes individuals want to do something on your website. Like, give me an example. Living in Dallas, Texas, they have a nice map that can be seen and also can be clicked on that could show you the various different areas of, say, Texas, videos that could be watched, guides that could be downloaded, and you can start searching for homes. You can look at market reports and schedule your meetings all through an interactive portion, which could be a tool like a map we have on our sites here at Liftoff Agent. Second point, 3 things that your website should be doing automatically. Number 1, capturing contact information of individuals that go to your website. Number 2, builds trust and actually has content/videos to do just that. And number 3, booking calls. You want to make sure you have call to actions on your website that individuals could use to book a call, to schedule, and get onto your calendar. Number 3, behind the scenes with your website. What specifically should be happening? So when you think about lead captures, you want to have some triggers so individuals will go through this process. A welcome email. Welcome the individuals who just downloaded a guide, filled out a form, or potentially just booked a meeting with you. You want to make sure that you have automatic text happening. When someone goes through the process and books with us at liftoffagent.com, and when they set up a meeting, after they set up the meeting, we'll automatically go ahead and have a text message going out saying, thank you so much for booking that conversation or call with us. You want to have a personalized video intro. Once someone sets up a meeting with us and they schedule a date and time that fits their schedule, there's going to be a video giving them the next steps and what to be expected when and before meeting with us for a strategy call. So think about it. You're literally closing appointments while you're on airplane mode. When you have these behind the scenes processes, you could be on a plane literally without any service. Once you land, you can see you have someone on your calendar and you can see that they already got a text message. They also are on your CRM system now. They've already watched your video and now they're on your calendar. Number 4, website plus CRM equals passively prospecting. So you want to make sure that you bring individuals from your website to your CRM system so they can automatically be nurtured with, it could be auto text, auto emails, and a process that would automatically give them what they need to have. And you can set up this sequence within your CRM system. So let's go over a simple workflow that you can put in action right now. Number 1, you want to have an intro, say, video. That could be an opportunity to just say, hey, thank you so much for downloading this guide. Within this guide, this is what you're going to receive. It's going to be a great opportunity for you to be able to explore, say, blank area. Say if you do area content in your market. Now, the day number 3, you would want to be able to reach back out to them and give them some type of market update. So you downloaded, say, whatever guide it was. Now they're thinking about moving to, say, Houston, Texas. Now, what's happening with the market update? Now, if you did a YouTube video and you wanted to send them an email marketing campaign, you can have a video like I'm filming right now that can be sent to them via email talking about a market update that can go with, say, their guide. And you can have this automatically go out to all the individuals that downloaded a guide from your website. Day 5, your CTA ready to talk. So now is the time to be able to pick up a phone, send a text message, and reach out to the individual to find out, did they see value in the guide? Did they automatically get your text or automatically get the video? Was it helpful? And get some of their feedback. Liftoff Agent actually does this for our clients so you don't have to have any headaches going through the process of setting all this up. Number 5, you want to make sure you don't forget about video, because video can be a 24/7 salesperson helping you with the process of being able to build a know, like, and trust, giving information about your area, what it looks like to buy, what it looks like to sell, and just overall what it's like to work with you. So the first time you go to liftoffagent.com, you can try this for yourself. there's going to be a video. When I click this video, it's going to be a video walkthrough tour utilizing loom.com, showing you the website, how to navigate the websites, and be able to build a little bit of know, like, and trust, and honestly just give you a VIP treatment when coming to liftoffagent.com. The next thing to think about is you want to be able to give people a feel of what it would be like to work with you, even when you're not specifically online. So when you film videos like we're doing now, and it's already posted, it's already out there, then they can be able to watch that video in the future and be able to get an idea of not just like the process, but also your vibe, and are you someone they're going to want to work with? Number 6, let's get into your funnels that do not sleep and they work 24/7 on your website. First thing to think about is offering a downloadable guide, asking them specific questions to find out where they're at. Here's going to be the original Houston, Texas guys. Are you 3, 6, 12 months out? I'm 12 months out. Fantastic. You click on that. Okay, what's your budget? Is it 0 to 500,000, 1 million? Oh, it's 500 to 750,000. Okay, great. Do you have a pre-approval in hand? No, I actually need a lender. Boom, click on that. This can go directly to the lender. And now you can put in, say, all of your contact information to fill out that form. And so this is a great way for you to be able to add more value and for you to be able to walk people through the process of asking them some questions before they actually meet with you, which is great because before you meet with someone, you want to make sure you have as much information as possible to navigate the conversation and to maximize those opportunities. You also want to make sure you have a lead magnet on your website. So lead magnets look something like this. If you go with under resources, liftoffagent.com, and we do this for our clients as well, and we go underneath PDF downloads. This is what you're going to see here very soon at the end of the video for what guide to be downloaded. These are all lead magnets. So if I go ahead and click on one of the lead magnets, this gives me the opportunity to post these lead magnets on my stories on social media to drive people to this website. It gives me the opportunity to capture first name, last name, mobile address, and also email contact information. Plus there's a video that they could watch. And for example, this is the 10 game-changing tools for your website. So you want to make sure you have great lead magnets on your website to be able to get deals converted from a prospect looking at your website, coming from your social media, for an example, to downloading the guide, to being nurtured, and then you be able to close the deal. This is the systems that we build here at Liftoff Agent to help you have more success, whether it's build the guide, build the website, set up the CTAs, call to actions, connecting this to your, say, CRM system so you can maximize these processes. Number 7, here is a real world example of actually one of our clients that closed 3 deals while they were on vacation. So let's go ahead and go back over to these guys here. These guys are going to be the original Houston, Texas guys. And they actually, within 30 days of their website being live with us, had 1,800 individuals go to their website, 67 engagements. They had 26 phone calls, 37 form submissions, and 4 emails. And so that's with them downloading these CTAs like this Houston guide and them going to the website and being able to do various things where this client did 3 deals because they're basically doing the front end YouTube channel and passively prospecting. And then they're driving that traffic from their YouTube channel, over 7 million views on their YouTube channel. And so you'll see here, they have 7.5 million views and driving traffic here, going to their website, having those CTAs, map, guides, what we talked about earlier in the video, then gave that individual the opportunity to then go ahead and get pre-approved and be able to buy a home. Technically, they've already done this more than 3 times with this exact process we're talking about in today's video. So honestly, if your website isn't doing the work when you're resting and it's not converting, it's not closing the opportunity of new contacts, first name, last name, contact information being through your pipeline with the guides and the downloads, then you have a pretty website potentially, or you have a broker provided website, but it's just not working for you. I want to invite you to have an opportunity to meet us personally. No obligation online strategy call. In this call, we'll be able to go over specifically the website you have, the strategy you're currently working through, and how it connects with your CRM system, and how you can be able to have more fruit be bear shared from your website through exactly what we're talking about in today's video. What I also want to do too is I want to give you the opportunity to download the guide that I already talked about earlier, which is going to be the 10 game-changing tools for your website. So this is going to go deeper into 10 different unique ways to be able to have success with the process of being able to get more conversions from your website. So those are going to be 2 things we'd like to offer you for absolutely free. Strategy call costs you nothing. It's a 30-minute conversation. This you can download as we speak. And if you actually just put down below, just put 10. If you put in just 10, we'll send you the guide directly, the link through here on YouTube. We'll just go ahead and send you the link and you can click on it and download it right now. And then down below, there's going to be a link for you to be able to go ahead and set up a strategy call with us. So if that was helpful, do us a favor, like the video, subscribe. And of course, if you have any other comments that you want to give us, put them in the chat below. So God bless, take care. Best of luck having a website that can generate leads when you're on vacation. And we'll see you all on the next one.